Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Now today's video I'm doing another product review, and the product I have here is by Aunt Jackie's, and it's the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. It's this product right here. Now a couple of you guys told me to try Aunt Jackie's product before, and some people have mentioned that you can find it at Target. It wasn't at my Target, so I had to go to one a little bit further from me, but I found it at Target and it retails for $7.99, which isn't bad. It brings 15 ounces, $7.99. That's pretty good. And this is long overdue because I asked you guys on my Instagram about a month ago what product I should pick out from Aunt Jackie and what product I should review. And you guys voted on this one, so that's what we're doing in today's video. I might review the other one later on, but this was the winner. So let's go ahead and see what this product claims that it does, because it has a lot of words on it. So many words. It says for natural curls, coils, and waves, enriched with coconut oil. And it says show curls, coils, and waves, who's in charge? This lightweight frizz control jelly recipe uses just the right amount of coconut oil to help deliver impressive definition, shine, and softness without a stiff, tacky feel. Helps minimize shrinkage. Aunt Jackie's Curls Boss Coconut Curling Jelly is a perfect style remedy to help achieve soft, bouncy, smooth, hydrated, radiant looking curls, coils, and waves. Great for 1B to 4C textures, wash and goes, and any curly style in need of long-lasting definition. That is my favorite thing right there. You guys know I love long-lasting definition. Directions: best when applied to wet or slightly damp hair. Perfect because my hair is drying up, so I need to get to the point. It says depending on hair length, texture, apply a moderate amount throughout hair from roots to end, using more for thicker or longer hair. Evenly distribute by raking hair with fingers. Style as usual. Boom, boom, boom. Straight to the point. So I'm just going to apply this product as I normally would. In the front it says, yeah, sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral, no petroleum. I don't think this has silicone in it, but if it does, whoops, I didn't read it the whole way. But it's really jiggly. Nice. I want to get a good angle to show you guys. Okay, I'm going to work with a little at a time because I don't know if this is going to really weight on my hair. I don't think it is, but you never know with coconut oil. Okay, that's very soft. Feels a little bit thick. It's not watery. This is like not watery. It's concentrated, baby. How does it smell? Oh boy. It smells like coconut oil for a fact. It smells like, you know, coconut. It's not bad. It has like a nice coconut scent. It's not a scent that I don't hate, because with some coconut smells, they really vary. But with this, isn't bad. Let's go to the point. Let's put it on. Not watery. So I like that it's not watery and it's not too thick, but I have to be careful because I might OD. I might do too much. My hair is looking really shiny. Go ahead, girl. Shine like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so this is pretty much all I'm going to apply. I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry, and then when I come back, I'll give you guys my first impressions. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So now that my hair is completely air dried, I could give you guys my first impression of this product right here. That was kind of weird. I can give you guys my first impression of this. So let's start with how my hair is looking. And I think it looks really good for first day hair. Like, I'm surprised. I thought my hair was going to look really flat. And I think it's because it took forever for my hair to dry. Like, my hair is still a little bit wet here, just a little bit wet. But it was looking really flat while it was drying. But now that my hair is dried up, it's looking really big, and I like that. This product did have an initial cast. It was a little bit of a little crunchiness. Just a little bit of a cast. Well, there was a cast, not a little bit. My hair was pretty crunchy around here. After I broke up that cast, my hair is looking voluminous and how it is now, so I do like that. This product I like so far. I think the definition looks pretty good, and yeah, that's all I have to say for first day hair. So I'm going to keep trying this out for day 2, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So today's going to be the second day of me trying out this Aunt Jackie. You're not going to do it with me? Jackie. Okay. Today's going to be the second day of me reviewing this product right here, so I can give you guys my impressions for today. So as you guys can see, for day 2 hair, my hair is looking really big. Now, it looked nice and voluminous yesterday, but I knew that day 2 was gonna hook it up. So yeah, my hair is looking very voluminous, so I'm liking that. My hair is a little bit dry for day 2, which I had a feeling that was going to happen just because this product doesn't feel like super moisturizing. It's nice and thick in the texture of it, but I knew that it wasn't going to leave my hair moisturizing because my hair is dry. So it feels a little bit dry. It looks a little bit dry, but I'll talk about that day 3 tomorrow. Now the definition, it's still there, but it's losing some of it, especially towards the inside of my hair. Like, the definition is losing itself. breaks my heart that that's happening. Overall, it's still defined, but it's losing some of its curl definition, so what can you do? So this morning, I did reapply more product to my hair, like I always do for my reviews, and it felt good to reapply, but my hands felt a little bit sticky afterwards. Now, I didn't notice this yesterday for day one, like there was like no sticky feeling whatsoever on my hands, on my ears, on my neck, but yeah, I just wanted to mention that it was like a little bit sticky reapplying. So yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to mention for day 2 hair using this right here. I'm going to keep trying this product out for tomorrow, so I'll see you guys for the 3rd and final day. So it's still day 2 and it's the end of the day. Well, it's 7 p.m. so it's the end of the day for me, so I'm back home. But I really wanted to show you guys how my hair looks right now, just because I've been out all day and it got pretty frizzy. It was pretty humid today. It was around 100 degrees in Florida, so it was pretty freaking hot. And my hair didn't stand up as much as I would like it to, so I just want to show you guys that. So let's zoom this baby in. So as you guys can see in this part right here, the front of my hair, my bangs area, the humidity got to it. So yep, front area, sides area, front area again. Here's a nice view. Let's move on to the sides. Now right here, the back of my hair, you guys can see that chunk right there that's pretty frizzy. I ended up fixing it for day 3, so day 3 hair looks good, but this is just day 2. So today's going to be the 3rd and final day of me reviewing this Aunt Jackie Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. So I could give you guys my overall thoughts, my pros and cons right now. So I feel like a major pro of this product is that it left my hair looking very voluminous. As you guys can see for day 3, it doesn't look way down, it doesn't feel way down, it just looks and feel it's just very big. Another pro of this product is that it left my hair feeling soft after it had a cast. So usually when you have a cast, like you'll just break it up and your hair feels nice and soft, or sometimes it might feel a little bit weird, or I don't know, but after I broke up this cast, my hair feels soft, it looks voluminous, so all that good stuff. So I do like that. Now it has like a nice coconut scent, nothing strong. Of course I have to smell it. I don't know, I think it smells pretty good. So I like that it's not something that's very strong, and it doesn't linger on the hair. So if you guys are sensitive to scent, it doesn't linger on the hair. And I feel like another pro is the texture. So as you guys can see, it's very jiggly, but this product is not watery. It's pretty thick. Well, not too thick, but it's not a watery product. It's right in between. But I like the texture because it's not watery, like I've been saying this whole time. So another pro of this product is how my hair looked on day 1. I feel like I'm going to always come back to my day 1 hair just because it looked really defined and it was nice and big. Like it wasn't flat whatsoever. Usually for first day hair, my hair is like kind of a hit or miss. Usually it's more of a miss on first day hair just because it looks really flat. I like day 2 and day 3 hair better. But this product gave me really good results on day 1. So that's a pro, man. This is a pro for day 1 hair. Now that I mentioned some of the pros, let's move on to some of the cons. So as you guys saw in my 7 p.m. nightcap where I showed you guys how my hair looked yesterday at the end of the day, you guys saw that the humidity kicked my butt. My hair was pretty frizzy yesterday. I tried to tame it a little bit more today, but yesterday it was really frizzy, and I think this product didn't really stand a chance against the humidity. It was really hot yesterday. I live in Florida, so it's either raining, it's either very hot, so mix of that. It wasn't raining yesterday, but it was really hot. But yeah, the humidity did a number on my hair yesterday, and yeah, this product didn't really hold up to it, so that would be a con of it, is that it left my hair not secure. I don't know how else to say it. The humidity got to me. And another con of this product would be that it's not very hydrating. Now this product claims, where did it say in the front? Bouncy, smooth, hydrated curls. And hydrated curls, not so much. I noticed for day 2 and even for day 3, my hair doesn't feel too hydrated. It feels a little bit dry. So with this product, like I would normally recommend for every other product, maybe using a lightweight leave-in conditioner. That way you get nice hydration, your curls feel nice and moisturized, and it still looks nice and voluminous. So yeah, that's what I would recommend, using something lightweight paired up with this, just because my hair feels a little bit dry. So by itself, it's cool for first day hair, but day 2 and day 3, like it starts to feel a little bit dry. So that's pretty much my pros and cons of this product right here. Now I want to know what you guys think about it. Do you guys love it? Do you guys not love it? Have you guys heard of this line before? Let me know. And if there's any other products you want to see me review next, definitely leave it down below, because I'm always on the hunt for finding new products, especially if I could find it in the stores. I'll travel, just like I did for this product. I'll travel to maybe another Target or another store if it has that product you guys want me to try out. So let me know down below. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.